Congratulations and end credits. Chapter 54. How can I go even further? The Amazon FBA private label game doesn't have any more secret to you anymore. You played in hard mode and reached your own Amazon entrepreneur endgame. And before ending this book, I wanted to share these last words with you. First, try not to be too alone in your journey. You can go fast alone, but you'll go further with someone at your side. Without my business partner Dimitri, with whom I scaled my e-com journey these past few years, this book would have never existed, and our own private label businesses would have never thrived. Furthermore, put your ego aside and be transparent with all your collaborators throughout your entrepreneurial adventure. Share your wins and your hurdles with others, as you never know who might offer insight or support. Thanks to all my suppliers, freelancers, and fellow seller stories, screw-ups, and late-night work sessions, I have been able to make this book real and hopefully improve productivity for many sellers. That all said, I also want to thank you for reading these lines. Thanks for playing the game with me. Keep playing, and I hope these cheat codes will help you build your own 10-10-10 business and a life you enjoy to the fullest. Finally, if you want to go even further, I invite you to check out our community of Amazon FBA private label sellers and all the free content available on the Endgame XP website. It's on endgamexp.com. Take care. Bonus level. Chapter 55. Access the following link to discover the bonus level. endgamexp.com/FBA cheat codes-LVL bonus. Acronyms. Here is a list of acronyms and their definition. Welcome to the marketing industry. 3PL, the third-party logistic provider. A9 or A10, the deprecated since 2019 name of the Amazon search algorithm. ACOS or ACOS, advertising cost of sales. BSR, bestseller ranking. COGS, cost of goods sold, including all expenses. That's not the same as landed cost. CM or clean margin, your product net margin, including PPC campaigns budget. Your clean margin is basically your dirty margin minus your tacos. CPA, cost per acquisition. CS, customer support. CTA, call to action. CTR, click-through rate. CVR, conversion rate. DDP, delivery duty paid Incoterm. DM or dirty margin, your product net margin excluding PPC campaigns budget. Your dirty margin is your product gross revenue minus your landed cost. That's X work price, quality control, and shipping fee. Minus the Amazon fees. That's Amazon margin, storage, and FBA delivery. It represents your product organic sales margin. DR, direct response, which is a type of ad campaign focused on immediate action, such as clicks, signups, purchases, or installs. DTY, dollar to yourself. The amount of money you can pay to yourself after clearing your company's corporate tax from your company's turnover. EXW, X-Works Incoterm. An X-Work product price is its factory price per unit. FOB, Freight on Board Incoterm. FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon. FBM, Fulfilled by Merchant. FF, Freight Forwarder. FTE, Full-time Employee. H10, Helium 10. HRKW, High Relevancy Keyword. HRHVKW, High Relevancy, High Volume Keyword. HRLVKW, High Relevancy, Low Volume Keyword. HS Code, Harmonized System Code. IP, Intellectual Property. IPI, Inventory Performance Index. KW, Keyword. Landed cost, total of your product's factory unit price plus the quality control fee plus the shipping fee. LCVR, listing conversion rate, including all its sales, paid and organic. Listing, product listing or product page on an Amazon marketplace. MCF, Amazon multi-channel fulfillment. MOQ, minimum order quantity. NDA, non-disclosure agreement. O&O website, owned and operated website not part of any media network. PM, pure margin, your product net margin, including any expenses related to your business activity in regards to this product. Your pure margin is basically your clean margin minus your tech fees, such as Helium 10 subscription, etc., and non-variable expenses, for example, your freelancer missions, etc. It is your business net margin, pre-tax. PMG, Product Marketing Guideline. POT, Purchase Order Tracker. PP Placement, Product Page Placement. PPC Campaign, Pay-per-click advertising campaign. PSS, Product Specification Sheet. QC, Quality Control. ROS Placement, Rest of Search Placement. RFQ, Request for Quotation. SKU, Stock Keeping Unit. SV, Search Volume. SMB, Small to Medium-Sized Business. SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. TACOS, Total Advertising Cost of Sales. TOS, Terms of Services. TOS Placement, Top of Search Placement. TT, Telegraphic Transfer, Bank Wire Transfer. UI, UX, User Interface, User Experience. USP, Unique Selling Proposition. VA, Virtual Assistant. XP, Experience.